I see a bird in the bush. The bird is very little. It is blue. The bird is looking for a worm. Number 1. I see a bird in the dash. Number 2. The bird is very dash. Number 3. It is dash in color. Number 4. The bird is looking for a dash. I see a bird in the bush. The bird is very little. It is blue in color. The bird is looking for a worm. Cow. I see a cow. The cow is big. The cow is brown. The cow likes to eat hay. Questions. Number 1. I see a dash. Number 2. The cow is dash in size. Number 3. The cow is dash in color. Number 4. The cow likes to eat dash. Answers. I see a cow. The cow is big in size. The cow is brown in color. The cow likes to eat hay. The bug. The small bug is red. The bug has black dots. The bug likes the grass. Number 1. The small bug is dash. Number 2. The bug has dash dots. Number 3. The bug likes the dash. Answers. The small bug is red. The bug has black dots. The bug likes the grass.